balut spoon. Balut is a French name. In layman's term, we call it the soup spoon. Hello everyone, welcome to Tea Time. I'm going to introduce to you some of the silverwares, cutleries and serving gears that we often use in our restaurants. So first of all, let me introduce to you the appetizer knife. Let's contrast these with our dinner knife. You'll realize that the dinner knife is about half a centimeter longer than our appetizer knife. This is our stick knife with the signature of its pointy tip, and the blade is relatively sharper, more edgy, so that it's easier for you to cut up the steak. Next, so we have the serving spoon, and this is what we call the tablespoon. And then again, looking at the contrast, so serving spoon is relatively larger than our dinner spoon. And one stands out significantly different. This is our balut spoon. Balut is a French name. In layman's term, we call it the soup spoon. And next, we have the serving fork and the dinner fork. So realize the size difference between the two of them. Serving fork, dinner fork. And of course, not forgetting our 3-pronged fish fork for your fish filleting. So with our fish fork, definitely we have our fish knife. So one thing to highlight, fish knife will be very different from our bread and butter knife. These two knives are commonly confused by many people. This is the fish knife and this is the bread and butter knife. Last but not least, we have our teaspoon and our demi-tasse spoon. This is more commonly used for our coffee and tea, and these for our espressos. So we have come to the end of our first session on our silverware serving gears in F&B. Hope you have a great time.